Hello, I'm Josh, and if you're new to my channel, Mr. Plumber, I'll be guiding you through your plumbing projects. So leave a comment with your video request and be sure to subscribe and show your support with a thumbs up. Cutting PEX pipe when you don't have the ratchet cutters with you. Yes, I could go all the way back to the truck and get my cutters, but I'll show you how I cut it when I don't have my ratchet cutter. Sure, you could break out the tape measure, but I just put the pipe up there, get an idea with my thumb, and I use my tubing cutters because I didn't have my ratchet cutters with me. Take your time, go a little slower, it'll cut nice and smooth. I myself, I go forward and backward a few times just to get the grooves set or cut. Then I can go all the way around with it. This is the Shark Bite brand of crimp rings, but it doesn't really matter what brand it is. They basically work the same. Crimp ring goes on first, then your fitting. That's kind of hard to do when you've got holding the pipe, holding the fitting, so I use my leg. You want to keep that ring about 1/8 inch back from the fitting. So that's why it's taking me a little bit. Just trying to adjust it. Sure is fast. That's what I really like the most about the PEX. Boom, just like that. I try to always add another valve. You never know if the other one has corrosion or if it even works right. So I just put a new one. Like I said before, that ring needs to be about 1/8 inch back. So if you see value in this video, don't forget, subscribe and give me a thumbs up.